Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the exact config that contains the bind. This is crucial because Fivem can load binds from multiple places. Open your client or resource config now and make a single backup copy to revert if needed. Once done, scan for lines with bind or register key mapping entries so you know what to change. Make sure to note the resource name and the exact key string. That prevents breaking other scripts when you unbind. Now you act. Comment out or delete the bind or register key mapping line to remove the association. Alternatively, override it by calling register key mapping with an empty key string so the action remains but no key is assigned. Save the file, then restart the resource in the server console or use the in-game restart command. Once restarted, test the action to confirm no key triggers it. If something still fires, you likely missed an override in another file. Finish by testing in-game and verifying the key no longer triggers the action. This confirms success. If it still triggers, check duplicate binds in other resources or client-side scripts because multiple files can map the same key. As a quick fix, restore the backup and narrow down the offending file by disabling resources one at a time. If problems persist, enable debug prints or watch the server console for register key mapping calls to pinpoint the source.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.